In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize text size and spacing in Microsoft Outlook to enhance your email reading and writing experience. We all know how important it is to have our digital environments comfortable and tailored to our preferences, and Microsoft Outlook offers some simple but effective ways to accomplish that. Without any further ado, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your Microsoft Outlook application. Now, depending on the device you're using, this may be through the Outlook desktop program or through the web version. Either way, once Outlook is up and running, keep it open for our next steps. Now, while it's easy to just jump in and start scanning through emails, taking a moment to adjust your settings can really make a difference. All right, once Outlook is open, you'll need to head over to the Settings icon. This is typically found in the top right corner of the screen, symbolized by a gear icon. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select Mail. This is your gateway to customizing various aspects of your email interface. After you select Mail, focus your attention on the Layout section, which you should see in the options available on the left or sometimes as a tab option. Selecting Layout will lead you to a range of settings related to how your emails are presented. Adjusting these settings can help make reading and composing emails a much more comfortable experience. Now, within the layout settings, you will find an option for text size and spacing. This is the feature we want to explore today. You'll notice there are different text size options labeled as small, medium, and large. Each of these choices changes how the text will appear in your emails. If you prefer your emails to be more readable at a glance, opting for a larger text size might be your best bet. Conversely, a smaller size might allow you to see more content at once, which can be beneficial, especially on smaller screens. So go ahead and click through these options to see what works best for you. It's a really simple tweak that can dramatically impact your email experience. Once you've found the setting that meets your comfort level, feel free to click away and enjoy your newly customized email interface. And just like that, you're done. That's all there is to it. Customizing your Outlook settings in this way doesn't take much time, but it brings significant advantages to how you manage and interact with your emails. It's those little adjustments that create a big impact on efficiency and comfort, making your everyday work that much smoother. So next time you're in Outlook, take a moment to explore other features. You never know what little tweak might make your digital life just a bit easier. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, consider sharing it with others who might benefit from these tips. Have a great day adjusting your Outlook to fit your needs.